Okay, so today we're shooting in the rain. Just shooting in the rain. Pardon that. Today we're shooting a Martin Savannah. This is my favorite mass-produced longbow that is out there. When I was a kid, I wanted one of these bows so bad. This one's at 60 pounds at 28. It also means it's my heaviest bow. A lot of people ask me how to get a clean release. Shoot heavy poundage. I'm kidding, but I'm not kidding. It does help for a clean release. I don't know how old this bow is. I've had it probably 20 years. Get that yellow balloon. It was my first really nice longbow, and back then it was awfully hard for me to explain to my brain how a piece of wood could cost so much money. But then when I got this in my hand and shot it, I could see why. So we'll get the purple balloon on that turkey. Now we'll get the blue balloon on that raccoon. We got a huge storm coming in, so we're going to get this done. Anyway, I wanted this bow, something fierce. And now that I have it, I still love it. Had it for about 20 years. The sound of it, it's so quiet, it's solidly built. If you can get your hands on a used Martin Savannah, do it. There's nothing about this bow I don't like. Alright, 24-yard shot, yellow balloon, aim small. Don't be afraid to shoot in the rain with feathers.